Did you know a woman saved hundreds of soldiers in a war zone and then history basically deleted her? Her name was Mary Seacole. She was born in Jamaica in 1805 and she learned medicine from her mother. When the Crimean War started, she travelled to London and applied to join Florence Nightingale's official nursing mission. She was turned away. Most historians believe it was because of her race, so she funded her own trip. She sailed to the front lines in Crimea, built a hotel and treatment centre out of her own pocket, and walked onto battlefields to treat wounded soldiers while bullets were still flying. The soldiers loved her. They called her Mother Seacole. When the war ended, she came home completely broke. The soldiers organised a massive fundraising festival just to pay her debts. Florence Nightingale became a national icon. Mary Seacole was almost completely forgotten for over 100 years. That gap tells you something. Not just about injustice, but about which stories a society chooses to remember and who gets to be called a hero.